Hello and welcome to today's podcast. I am John, hosting this podcast today on CNC machining turning. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC machining tuning is a process that involves shaping raw material into a finished product. Their CNC machining tuning can handle various material types as well as a wide range of part sizes. Their team of machinists have extensive experiences with tight tolerance stack-ups in complicated assemblies. Reach out to them now and get a quote tailored for you in 7 hours or less. To know more about their services, browse www.createproto.com or call at +8618025329092.